Hi, my name is Lalene Mariano. Today, I'll teach you on how to create patient file for a new patient at Bell Valley Campus Medical Center. So here is an example of a finished patient file. And we will be doing similar to this. So the first thing we need to do is to gather all of our needed materials. We'll need a file folder, some stickers that corresponds to the patient's first three letters of the last name, a year sticker for the year we're creating the filing, a name alert sticker if necessary, a 2-hole punch, prong fasteners, Sharpie and pen, and finally the contents or forms that go inside the chart, which includes the patient's information page, health history questionnaire, medication list, and the progress notes. So now, we'll create the outside of the patient's chart. To begin, this folder includes a line that serves as a guide. And we will use color-coded labels just to make the filing process easier and to prevent missed file. The demographic information of this patient has already been gathered, and the patient's last name is Mariano. So, we'll affix the first three letters of the surname to the top and use the year sticker at the bottom. So, make sure that the sticker is properly aligned to look clean and organized. Then, you need to print the surname, comma, and followed by the first name in between. You will use the Sharpie to write the name legibly and correctly. In case for the same or similar patient name, you could use the name alert sticker, which will give a clue to whoever retrieving the file that they have to actually open the file and look inside to make sure that they've got the correct patient by comparing the date of birth and the personal health card number. And here how it looks to the outside of the file. Every office has a standard procedure for assembling a patient's chart. Now we're going to collect all of the items for our record. So first, we got the patient information that had been filled out. Then, we must gather all the other forms required by office policy in order to begin a health record. One of the forms is a health history questionnaire, which is used to collect baseline information when a patient first visits the clinic. Then, the list of medication form, where you may keep track of any new medication that are added. Finally, a progress notes form that will be used by all healthcare providers to document. So to be able to attach all the forms inside the chart, you need to put 2 holes on each forms needed, and on each side of the folder. According to the Policy and Procedure Manual of Bow Valley Campus Medical Center, first, on the left side of the chart will be the patient information sheet, followed by the health history questionnaire, and lastly, the medication list. And on the right side of the chart will be the progress notes. Make sure to fill out each page of the health record. It needs to be labeled with the patient's name, date of birth, and PHN. After you completely filled out all the forms, attach it to the folder using the prong fastener. This is to secure the documents inside in case the chart drops or fall out, and we can keep the record nice and assembled. And then repeat the same process on the other side of the chart. Make sure all documents are properly attached and labeled. Now, the chart is ready to use in the office. According to the Health Information Act, we cannot include more than one piece of identifying information on the outside of the record. This is to limit the information and secure the patient's confidentiality. And that would be all. Thank you.